Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Google account is active on the device. This prevents mismatches later. Once done, make sure two-step verification is turned on. App passwords require it. Next, open a browser on Android and sign into your Google account, then navigate to Security. These initial steps align your device, authentication, and browser session so you can create an app password without interruptions. Follow them now before moving to the creation screen. You arrive at the App Passwords panel, select it and verify the account shown is correct. Then choose the app type and specific device from the drop-down menus. This labels the password for later reference. After you tap Generate, a 16-character code appears. Copy it exactly without spaces. Keep in mind why. App passwords bypass normal sign-in, so labeling and device selection help you revoke access later. Store the code securely, because you'll paste it into the app immediately. You now paste the app password into the app's password field, complete sign-in and test the connection. If anything goes wrong, return to Security and revoke or regenerate that app password to maintain security. One key troubleshooting tip: verify your device time and date are accurate, because incorrect system time commonly causes authentication failures. Also confirm you used the correct Google account and copied the 16-character string precisely. Once working, record the label or revoke unused passwords to keep access tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.